Welcome back to the mechanical room, and it is time for Show Us Your Pipe. And I think we've got quite a special feature this time, don't we, Mr. Price?
We do. We want to give out a Lifetime Achievement Award. And so Oakdale Plumbing and Heating, Victor65 on Instagram, the legendary Victor Pregal, member of the BC contingent. He flew in to Miami with Terrence and Daryl of Impetus and Colin of John Sadler Plumbing. And did I miss anybody?
Others.
Did I miss anybody else from BC? I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
If I did, I apologize. God, my head is swimming.
It's like we're receiving the Emmy and we forget to thank somebody.
Who did I forget? I'd like to thank my mother. I'd like to thank Wiesman for this great installation.
I'm not going to come over and smack you, Mr. Chris Rock.
Oh my goodness! I will definitely stay away from the alopecia jokes.
Well you should.
Not suffering myself, clearly. Should see my back, right?
I'm not going to go there.
So, anyways, quick shout out, and again, we're giving the award this month to OG Venter, Victor Pregal. Typically, we highlight new installations, basically, stuff that has just been put in, diamond plated up, shined up, spit shine, the whole 9 yards. This one is a fascinating one, and it really is something that is worth noting. Victor installed these two Wiesmans 9 years ago. 9 years ago.
And he went back to do some service work, I believe, on those and posted some pictures of the work he did.
You can tell
before and after pictures.
You can see that they're the old Inaflu labels, so the vent system still going strong.
No service necessary.
That's it. And there's some before and after here to the burners of these Wiesmans. They required standard servicing. So the great professionals at Oakdale Plumbing and Heating came in. And like the professional he is, those Wiesmans are good as new now after almost a decade, and the vent system's still going strong. So Victor65, Mr. Victor Pregal, thank you so much for all things that you do. You get the first ever Lifetime Achievement Award on Show Us Your Pipe. So congratulations, Victor. I think I hit you up with every swag we got already down in Miami, but you know what? More coming your way. We got new stickers. There's new hats coming in. Maybe you'll be the first person in BC to have the new hat.
And they're very nice. I want one too.
Well, you get first pick.
Okay.
You get second.
Thank you.
You get second. So Show Us Your Pipe. We'll be right back now with the very special guest, Gary McCready, the HVAC know-it-all.